Okay, rules.
Mother's Day.
Arm down. Arm down. Yeah, okay, that makes sense.
No arm stand.
Okay.
You're not gonna do it on
No
there?
kissing. No.
No kissing.
No kissing.
If I show you my boobs, can I win?
No. I don't. My hand might slip away. I might fall.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Ready? Set that. Go.
Wait a minute!
She wasn't ready.
And no, you're using your arm.
Okay.
Do this.
Okay.
All right, ready, set, go.
You didn't hit. You didn't go down yet.
I know.
Try left.
Left hand.
I'm weaker in my left.
Oh my god. For the cows, Justin!
For the cows.
For the cows.
Oh man.
Wow, I'm not as strong as that.
Yeah, I'm way weak with my
Stop. We were hanging out.
Do daddy.
No.
Get daddy in there.
No, thank you.
Okay, do autumn again. It's
Okay, come on, we got a softer.
veggie burger versus cow burger.
It's not a veggie burger.
Veggie burger.
Y'all gotta hold hands in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Be careful. She might show you her boobs. She was gonna.
She already
missed one?
offered it. She already put it
I
on
did
the
that to
table.
Justin. I said, if I show you my boobs, will I win?
Ready?
I
Set.
might win.
Go.
Go. Oh, there I go.
What are y'all doing?
I don't know. They're kind of holding
How long are y'all
hands.
gonna do this for? What? Damn it, Raj, hurry up!
Look how red this is getting.
You
Sunburned.
almost have her beat.
There's tendons that are just.
Come on, Raj!
She beat me last
Hey,
time.
Barbara, now quit playing with her. Let's hurry up and do this.
Last time.
My arm hurts. It's like tingling.
Mine hurts because I
You guys are
burnt
gonna
myself
flex out
yesterday.
like
So
pass it.
it looks like I burnt myself
That beef burger one again.
yesterday. Oh, 'cause I burnt myself yesterday.
Aww.
You ain't got
How'd you
that
burn?
much protein.
Neck surgery.
It fucking